Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check close friends on Instagram. Before I begin with the video, I can offer Shopify completely for free your first 3 days, and then you only have to pay $1 your first month. So if you want that, click the link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram account, go to the bottom right to open up your profile, and then on the top right you open the hamburger menu. Once you are here, you need to scroll down and you will see close friends. It's under the account privacy, close friends. As you can see, it says 0, which means I have 0 close friends. If I were to add this person, go back, time to refresh. As you can see now it's 1. So I have 1 close friend. If I want to remove them, just remove them, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want to Shopify, click the link in the description.